What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am really excited because I have my BoxyCharm and I don't believe I have ever unboxed it this early in the month, and I'll tell you why. I have my BoxyCharm base box, but this is the first one that BoxyCharm has ever sent to me. So they sent me this box to try out and I'm very, very excited and so grateful. You guys know I've been doing BoxyCharm for so long. I don't even know how long, years obviously. And I really, really love the variety, the value, and I love getting a little surprise every month. And this is even more of a surprise because they're sending it to me and I'm so very grateful. So without further ado, I want to show you what we're getting in the July BoxyCharm. All right, so of course I have the BoxyCharm base box. That is your $25 a month box, and it's usually around a value of $175 or more. So obviously well worth your money. So this box is going to have 5 items. There is also the premium box if you guys are interested in that one, and I'll have BoxyCharm linked below as well, which is a $35 a month cost with 6 items valued around $215 or more. So I'm very excited to go ahead and show you everything that we got. I do have to admit I took a peek. I was really bad. So the first thing I saw, I haven't really paid attention to much else, but the first thing is the M2U NYC. This is a makeup blending sponge set. Now these are latex free and they are indeed very soft. So let me show you the little carton. I actually have had something from this brand. They're a pretty new brand and I do believe they're more indie. So I had something, it was a little palette that had 2 mice on it on the Brooklyn Bridge. It was really neutral, very cute, and I actually loved it. It was very affordable, and this set is only $20, so it's just $5 a sponge. I will say one thing though, I did open this up and I went ahead and just wet one of the sponges. Now, I don't know if this is mostly because I was wearing like fake nails, and that maybe is why. It did create like a little tear in the sponge, but these are very soft, so just be careful when you're wetting them and cleaning them that you're not digging your nails in like me. I tend to do that. Now it's not really going to make that big of a difference because there's so many sides to the sponge and you also have 4 sponges. I'm most excited really for this shape and maybe this one down here, but what I love about this is it actually is very soft, and a lot of affordable sponges are not soft. Like very few that you get that you're like, oh, I've never heard of this sponge, I hope it's good. They're usually really tough. This is not the case. It's already really bouncy. It's actually dry right now. It's not damp. So I'll show you on another one that I haven't used, but it's very squishy and it expands. It's really soft. So I'm very surprised to find that these are as soft as they are, because if you went to TJ Maxx or Marshall's, you would see a ton of sponges that look like this, but that are really kind of cheap and tough, and they do not work whatsoever. I've been down that road before, so trust me. So these are pretty nice, but they are very soft. They are latex free, like I said. So if you're someone who has a latex allergy or you're just looking for a latex free sponge, I feel like these will be a great option. So if you get them, then there you go. But I am excited for these. I'll be more careful. So that's our first item, the M2U makeup sponge set. Makeup sponge set. Why can't I talk? Okay, let's see what else we got. I promise I tried not to look at the rest because I'm like, oh, I'm so bad. So we have something from Generation Skin. I have never tried this brand before. These are hydrating marine algae eye patches. I have been loving eye patches that come in jars like this. They're so much more cost effective to me because in here you get 30 pairs. So it would last a month. If you did them every single day, you could use the whole box for a month versus getting like individual packets. And I feel like those get dried out. I had some the other day and I went to put an eye mask on and it was completely dried out. And I just think it was because it was in the individual pack, and like once the moisture's gone, it's gone. So anyway, let's see about these. These go for $49.99. Like I said, you get 30 pairs in here. It says it has marine algae. They're straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. That's nice. I don't often see that in eye patches. You apply it to the delicate skin around your eyes to firm, plump, soothe, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. The word peepers makes me laugh. I don't know why. Okay, so here's the jar. I definitely want to show you what it looks like. I'll have to dive into these soon. I like the packaging. Like it's sleek, but I love the color. It's kind of like matchy with me today. So let's see. You've got a scoop in here, which is always really helpful. And you have a seal. I would recommend keeping this seal and just removing it when you're ready. And then it looks like there's another little protective layer. It's got the juices, so I'm gonna hold on to it for now. But here are the eye patches. They're really pretty blue. So on theme today. It doesn't smell fragrant. It just smells like it has like a nice little like fresh type of scent, but it smells more like ingredients. So yeah, Generation Skin, and this is an Australian brand. Okay, that makes sense why I haven't maybe tried it before. I'm gonna look at the rest, but I'm really excited for these so far. Okay, let's see what else we got. For like a pencil. Okay, this is Billion Dollar Brows. This is the Taupe Micro Brow Pencil. I have had things from Billion Dollar Brows before, and I do think they are pretty good quality. Brows on Point Micro Pencil. It features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and create hair-like strokes for natural looking eyebrow. It's only $16. That's really reasonable. I've been doing my eyebrows to match my roots. As you guys see, I haven't gone like root down blonde because I feel like that would be a bit much for me, but I've been doing still like my normal soft brown kind of brow, but it might be nice to use something, especially when I first get my hair done and I'm looking really blonde up top, which is coming soon, coming very soon. So it might be nice to use a taupe. I'm gonna check out this color. Oh, okay, this is still pretty dark. I did some strokes, but it was a little heavy, so I'm just gonna go a little light-handed and see. This feels nice. It is giving little hair strokes with so little effort. Like this is like a little bit more pressure, and as you can see, very fine hair strokes. And this is the pencil. So I'm very excited for this. This is a nice color. I feel like it will go with my natural brow color, and it'll be great for my hair right now. So yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm just gonna rub these. Wow. They're staying in place. Like it's definitely staying in place even with me rubbing my finger over it, and I just applied it. So cruelty-free, waterproof, and paraben-free. I love it. I love all of those things, and especially right now, waterproof brows, yes ma'am. And if you're like me and brows are the one thing that you really feel like you don't have, if you're gonna be like going out to the beach, you might wanna use something waterproof on your brows if you're wearing anything. I usually don't, but if I'm gonna take any pictures or anything, I need a little bit of help with my brows. So that'll be really nice. All right, what's next? From Pharmacy, this is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. It has moringa and papaya. I love Pharmacy products, so I'm very happy to get this one. All right, let's open her up. As skincare goes, I go through cleansers faster than anything else, so I'm always really happy to get them in my boxes. And here's the packaging. It's just cute Pharmacy. I like the little ombre packaging. It's really cute. This goes for $28. I feel like that's really reasonable for the high quality of Pharmacy. And it's oil-free foaming cleanser to draw out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. Its soap-free, pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. This sounds really nice. I like the combination of ingredients, the clay to clear out, but still it has something to hydrate the skin. This is good for me because I do like oil-free cleansers just to cleanse my skin with, but I'm also dry. So I kind of like ride that line between, you know, cleaning effectively, but also not stripping my skin. So this sounds beautiful. I can't wait to give this a try. Love Pharmacy. All right, we have one more product. This is the Dermalect Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum with a little red box. I like this box. Okay. Let's see. It goes for $39. That's pretty, I mean, I feel like $39's pretty affordable for a good serum. It successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives and a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. I like this. I've had some retinols before that are encapsulated, and I like that it has different forms of retinol because sometimes our skin is more reactive to some forms. So that's what the box looks like. Let's pull this guy out. This is nice. I like this packaging too. I don't know why. It's just kind of basic, but it's nice. So it has retinol acetate, and retinol palmitate. So if you're a skincare junkie like me, this is going to be really, really exciting to get in your box. And I'm very excited to try this. I don't think that I have tried Dermalook products before, but I'm definitely keen to. So we got our cleanser for $28, serum for $39, our Generation Skin eye patches are $49.99. I'm gonna call that $50. And then we have our sponge set for $20 and Billion Dollar brow pencil for $16. All right, so for this month, $153 value for this box right here. I actually have to say I'm very pleased with it, even though the value is not astronomical, still well worth $25. But I am especially excited. I have to say these two are my most favorite items in this box. I mean, I just love pharmacy, and this is a really exciting brand for me to try. Very happy for this. And then third is probably the serum. You guys can tell I love my skincare as much as I love the makeup. I love the skincare, and getting them in my subscription boxes helps me a lot because skincare can be because skincare can be so expensive. You guys know how it is to get good skincare and keep up with it. So I'm very happy to get these three. I'm definitely going to be using my brow pencil. This looks super nice, and I haven't tried this particular pencil from them, so I'm excited to. And then I'm very impressed that these sponges are as soft as they are and still as affordable as they are. So definitely excited to try everything out. That is my box for July. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here with me. And that is it. If you want to check out BoxyCharm, I'll have them linked below. And thank you to BoxyCharm for hooking me up. I'm very excited to unbox with you and be able to unbox it earlier in the month in case you want to see those sneak peeks. So thank you guys so much. If you didn't see, I posted my vlog yesterday and I posted a MAC review the day before that. So other videos to check out if you haven't seen them. And I really, really appreciate you guys. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you'd like me unboxing BoxyCharm. And I will see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye guys.